In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem your TurboTax Costco code and get started with your tax return. If you purchased your TurboTax code from the Costco online store, the redemption process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Before you begin, make sure you have access to the email you received after your purchase, since that's where your 16-character license code will be provided. It's a good idea to keep that email open or copy the code somewhere secure so you can enter it smoothly without interruptions. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using Chrome can help ensure the website loads properly and that the sign-in and redemption steps work as expected. Once Chrome is open, go to turbotax.com/Costco. This is the dedicated page for Costco customers who need to activate their TurboTax purchase and apply the offer connected to that code. When the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you already have an Intuit account, simply sign in using your existing account credentials. This is often the best option if you've used TurboTax before because it helps keep your tax information, prior returns, and account details in one place. If you're new to TurboTax or Intuit, select Create Account and follow the prompts to set up a new account before continuing. Make sure you complete this part carefully so your purchase is connected to the correct account. After signing in, locate the field where you can enter your license code. This is where you'll type the 16-character code from your Costco purchase email. Enter the code exactly as it appears, paying close attention to letters, numbers, and any dashes if shown. A small typing mistake can prevent the code from being accepted, so take a moment to double check before moving on. Once the code has been entered correctly, click Get Started. This applies your Costco discount and begins the process of accessing TurboTax, so you can start your return. After that, you'll be taken into the TurboTax experience, where you can continue with your tax preparation. If anything doesn't work right away, pause and verify that you're on the correct Costco redemption page, signed into the right Intuit account, and entering the full code exactly as provided. With those details confirmed, the process is usually quick and easy. That's it. You've successfully redeemed your TurboTax Costco code and are ready to begin your return.